It would seem that how can a neural network change the price on the stock exchange? No. The neural network itself cannot change the price, but a person using a neural network can. On May 22nd, the news came out that there was an explosion near the Pentagon building in Washington. First, this news was published in some Russian publications and then in one Telegram channel with 1.5 million subscribers. And accordingly, the spread of the news had a viral character. But the most interesting thing is that it was not just news, but there was also a photograph showing the very same explosion and puffs of smoke. The photo was most likely generated by a neural network based on a photo from 2001, when there was a terrorist attack in America. Thus, what do we have? A person with the help of a neural network created a fake photo, fake news, and launched it in the media. What happened next? Trading robots that track negative news on the stock exchange, and this is negative news respectively, began to give signals to sell the American index, and the S&P 500 index fell more than 300 points in a few hours. Isn't this proof that neural networks also influence the stock market? And people using neural networks can control stock market prices? Of course, don't be seduced that you will create a picture in a neural network, throw it on the internet, and the S&P will rise and you will make money on it. Of course not. However, someone is making money on it. Three factors have come together here. First of all, the first is the neural network itself. The second is the person who used it profitably. And the third is trading robots that react to high-profile news that has already spread across the network. I know this because I develop trading robots. And I have a robot that copies trades between accounts in milliseconds when an event occurs. Now, imagine that thousands of robots on the stock market start simultaneously buying or selling the S&P 500 after a powerful news event. Of course, someone is making money on that. Have you ever made money from news or using neural networks? Share it in the comments.